How to add auto captions on Instagram story. So first is you go to your Instagram application here, and it will lead you to your feed area, your home. And all you have to do is to create a story. So just swipe left to right, and here you'll see my camera. So all you have to do is just record a video or put on the video there, and whatever audio that it will capture, it will automatically create or transcribe it into captions. Now, if you're done creating your video or choosing your video, then on the upper part you will see the sticker icon there. Tap on that, and here you will see these examples such as location, mention, hashtag, many more. So it looks like that, but it's under the name captions. Now, as you can see, it's not available in my country yet, but if it's available to your country, then you will see captions. Now, if you can see it there, try searching it. Say captions here. Now it will actually come out there, and all you have to do is to tap on that, and then it will automatically transcribe your audio. And if it doesn't work, go to your, you can actually check if you have updated your Instagram application. By doing that, you can go to your apps or your Play Store, then update it there. Basically, that is how you add auto captions on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.